In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the parallax effect using a plugin called Parallaxer. First, you need to download the plugin. Go ahead to the Parallaxer 3 site, add to cart and download the plugin. Extract the folder, open the script folder, copy everything in it and paste it in your script UI panel. Okay, before we can jump straight into After Effects, we have to prepare the files in Illustrator. And one little gotcha that always comes up is that the artwork extends the frame. If we would import it like it is right now in After Effects, for example, the top of this tree will get chopped off and we don't want that, but it's an easy fix. Make sure to extend your artboard. You can go to File, Document Setup, Edit Artboard, and then just drag it bigger so it contains all of the artwork. I've set it up in 3 different layers. You can see the foreground layer here, you can see the middle ground layer here, and the background layer. In the original video there were like 25 layers, but for the sake of these tutorials I keep it easy to show you the in and outs, but yeah, of course you can use as many layers as you want. Okay, let's jump into After Effects and open up the script first. Go to Window, go all the way down to Parallaxer version 3 and open it up. Now let's import the artwork we prepared before. Go to File, Import, File, and then choose the Illustrator file. Make sure to click on Composition, Retain Layer Sizes, and make sure you don't have this box checked. Then import it. Then we can open up the composition and you can see all of the artwork is contained in the composition. No trees are chopped off. That's exactly what we wanted. Okay, now let's highlight the composition in the project panel and click on the Parallaxer button. It will ask us that the locked layers will remain in 2D. We don't have any locked layers, so we can click on yes. Now for this scene, let's choose a medium scene. We don't need the large scene for only 3 layers. And it tells us to set up the camera in 2 view mode. We will do that as well. Let's go to 2 views, and here make sure you got the top view selected, and then zoom out a little bit so you can see the camera, the layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3, and we can already out of the box test the parallax effect a little bit. Click on C, click as often as you see the arrow then, and you can already test out the parallax effect and it works. Great. If you somehow messed up the camera, you can always go back and click on the reset camera button and then start all over again. Now, what if we wanted, for example, the background to be a little bit closer to the camera? We can easily adjust it. Just click on the background layer on layer 3 and just drag it a little bit closer to the camera. Maybe also layer 2, a little bit closer to the camera. And then we can test it out again. This looks maybe a little bit better. So also I want to show you some handy buttons. First button is, for example, this scene we wouldn't use this, but it will be useful for other scenes where you got a lot of layers. For example, if you wanted to have layer 1 and layer 2 on the same position in C depth, you can just highlight them and click on flat and it will immediately jump to the same position. Also a handy button is the plus and minus keys here. If you highlight 2 or more layers and you want to bring them closer to each other, you can click on the minus button. If you want to put them further apart, you can click the plus button. Okay, now we can animate the camera a little bit. For example, here is already a keyframe is already set. Move down the timeline a few seconds and then move it in C space and we'll have the parallax effect. For example, now you can see that the The second layer is too close because you can see the bird floating here, and we can easily adjust that. Just drag it, not too far, but a little bit closer so it still works. Okay, that's about it. That's an easy way to use the parallax effect with the script, and I hope you learn something. Thank you.